reset a Philips TAB7207 soundbar with subwoofer if it's not connecting to your Bluetooth device like your phone or your television, or if it's not syncing with your TV, it's not connecting to Wi-Fi like it's supposed to, it keeps disconnecting, it's not responding. A lot of these issues can be fixed with this hard factory reset. Now you will need to set it up again, but that's quite easy to do. So with no further ado, I'll show you how to do this. All we're going to do is with our subwoofer turned on, we're just going to come in and find our up and down, volume up, volume down, plus minus buttons, and hold both of them simultaneously for 8 seconds. And then after that 8 seconds, all of the LEDs should light up for about 5 seconds. And then the standby LED will be in solid red. Your device has been reset. You can go ahead, turn it off, turn it back on, and set it up like a new soundbar. And if you're interested in getting a new soundbar, I'll put a link and a pinned comment to one that's on sale for a great price.